and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to log into South University. South University is a private university with its main campus in Savannah, Georgia, United States. It is regionally accredited by the Southern Accreditation of Colleges and Universities. To log into South University, visit your web browser on your computer and search for South University login. From the search results, click on the first link right here. On the next page, click on the login button on the top right corner of the screen. If you are a student, click on Student Portal homepage. After you do that, enter your username and your password to your account. If you've forgotten the password and can't remember it, click on the Forgot Your Password link right here. After entering your username and password, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your student portal. Similarly, if you are a faculty member, click on Faculty Portal homepage. On the next page, enter your username and your password to your account. And after you're done with it, click on the sign in button. And you'll be logged into your South University account. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Login Helps and press the bell icon for more updates from us. I'll be back with more videos soon. Goodbye till then.